possible time. We are very grateful to the UN resident country coordinator who has extensively traveled through these areas and has extended full support in making this flash appeal possible in shortest time. For the rehabilitation and reconstruction phase, the World Bank is preparing to undertake a World Bank and Asian Development Bank are preparing to undertake a damage needs assessment study. This is a time-consuming exercise and the results shall be shared with the donor community in due course of time. As said earlier, the magnitude of the crisis is increasing with the passage of time. Accordingly, the government of Pakistan would like to seek the support from the donor community, both for the ongoing relief efforts and for the rebuilding process. Pakistan looks forward to a positive and visible response from the international community in this regard. And may I also say that Pakistan has also initiated an initiative for building a resilient infrastructure to face the challenges of climate change at UN level platform. And we do hope that international community will realize that this is, as the Secretary General said, that this is Pakistan today, it can be any other country tomorrow. We all have to join hands in order to fight the effects of climate change and make world a safer place for everyone living on this planet. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now invite the UN Resident and Humanitarian Coordinator in Pakistan, Mr. Julian Harnais,